Hey guys, welcome to today's workout. So this one is called Mad Dog Mace. There's 2 8-minute rounds. Okay, so in that 8-minute round, you're going to perform as many sets as you possibly can of 6 exercises. Okay, so you're going to perform 6 exercises. Each of those exercises, you're going to do 4 reps. Okay, so you do 4 reps of exercise 1, 4 reps of exercise 2, exercise 3, going through each of those 6 exercises. Once you've done all the 6 exercises, then you just start again. So you're going to perform as many sets as you can in that 8-minute round. As soon as that 8-minute round is up, then you take a 2-minute rest. Okay, and then you perform a second 8-minute round. So in total, it's going to be 16 minutes of work with a 2-minute rest in between of those. So it should take you around about 18 minutes. All right, guys, I'm going to run you through those exercises now. So the first exercise we're going to do is a 360 alternated forward lunge with a shoulder press. Okay, so we do our 360, so I'll just break that down. So we've got the hands in the navel, shoulders down and packed down, elbows are tucked in. So we're going to do our 360, just making sure you get those triceps in. And then from there, we're going to catch that mace head into the front stack position, and then we're going to step forward into a lunge. With the press, you can really challenge in yourself if you want. You can have that offset press position, or you can bring it closer to the mace head, which is going to be a little bit easier, less than the leverage, so it's up to you. From here, we're going to catch it into that front stack position, big forward lunge. So if I've got the mace head on my left hand side, I'm going to do a right lunge. Okay, that's going to be a little bit easier. Okay, you can do the other side, but you're going to be a little bit more unilaterally loaded. And then from there, we do our press, and then we do the other side. So we do our 360, catch it, forward lunge, press. Usual cues apply with the forward lunge, so big step forward, just making sure that knee stays over that toe. Okay, and then push off through this heel, squeeze the glute, and then drive up into that standing position. All right, with the overhead press, just making sure that the bottom position, you try and put your head through the window and you get a full arm lock in those arms. So once you've done your 4 reps, we're going to do our switch prayers. Okay, so from here, we're just going to slide one hand down, push down with a mace. So we're going to push down with the left hand, pull with the right, activate those back muscles, okay, and then switch to the other side. Okay, same again, we're going to go 4 reps in total. So really pushing down with that right, pull with that left. Okay, once we've done those, we're going to do a sumo squat with a press. So with our sumo squats, we're going to go wide feet and then point the toes out. It's a good exercise to get into those hips. And again, just make sure your knees track your toes, so we're not internally or externally rotating. Knees track the toes the whole time. Okay, so from here, we do our sumo squat, and then we're going to rotate off one side and then press. Back into the middle, standing up, and then back into the sumo squat. We do the other side, rotate, and then press. If you need to, you can choke up on one hand to make that leverage a little bit easier, but otherwise, you know, do the full leverage if you can. Once you've done your 4 reps of sumo squats, we're going to go push up with an arm balance row. Straight line between the crown and the coccyx, hands underneath the shoulders. Okay, inch off the floor with a push up, full extension. We're going to grab that mace, row it into the body, and then press it overhead. So that top arm is fully stacked over that bottom arm, so I'm nice and strong. So we can put it back down. Okay, again, push up, full extension, row it into the body, push down as hard as I can with that stabilizing hand, and then from there, pull, and then press overhead. So we go 2 reps each side on that one, and then we're going to go into kayak. A few different progressions with this one. Starting off, beginners can have the feet on the ground, leaning back 45 degrees, so you're making sure that you're contracting your abs. Hand is closest to the mace head, rows, other hand pushes, change sides. So that's your beginner variation. Intermediate, feet off the floor. Advanced, crunching at the same time. And then you get into the last exercise, stand on the floor. We're going to go an offset hollow hold with a press. I'll do this from the front. We're going to stay in that kayak, or that position was in a kayak. And then from here, we're going to offset grip. So again, you can make this a little bit easier if you need to, and have a wider grip. So bring that hand close to the mace head, lessen that leverage. If you want to challenge in yourself, increase that leverage, having the offset grip. And then from there, we're going to press it from the body. And if you want to make it even more challenging, we can do a side bend. Really work those obliques. Okay, again, do 4 reps in total. So just do 2 reps each side on those. So there's 6 exercises. So perform 4 reps of each of those 6 exercises. Okay, power through as many sets as you can in 8 minutes. Take a 2-minute rest and then perform a second set. All right guys, that's it for today's workout. I hope you enjoy and I'll see you in the next one. Hey guys, thanks for checking out this video. If you want more videos just like this one, be sure to subscribe to our channel. And if you want to check out our dangerously fit strength training equipment, all of our products are available through our websites. I'll leave the links in the description below. Thanks again for watching the video and I'll see you in the next one.